Hello guys, I would like you to visit my friend's house, a 5-star apartment in Hoi An. This apartment has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, kitchen. It's very convenient to live here. This is a way to go to the bathroom. This is washing machine, storage, western shower, very nice. And from this is a door go through the bedroom. From the bedroom we can have the view to enjoy the ocean. Can you see the ocean? It's cloudy today, so it's very difficult to see the ocean, but you can see the waves. And living in this apartment, we have service for free to use. We can use swimming pool. My friend's apartment is on the 6th floor, building A. It is raining outside, so I'll go this way. This is the living room. Dining table, TV, tea table, sofa, and this is a bedroom, master bedroom. A lot of light here, and to the balcony we have ocean view too. Lovely. This is the bathroom in the master bedroom. There's a bathroom here. So living here, you can have free swimming pool. You have kitchen, you can cook too. If you rent this apartment for long term, I'm sure you feel very, very comfortable with very cheap price from my friends who is the owner. Okay, see you guys. I hope you enjoy my video, and please come here to enjoy the atmosphere from the ocean, which help you boost up your good health. And if you are an artist or any kind of job you work, you can boost up your creativity a lot. I believe that. I had experience living there already, so I do advise you to enjoy living here. See you soon.